hands-on practice and exercises is always good. When you intersperse that with the ability to actually do stuff yourself, it does bring it to life a bit more. There's a lot to learn about AI, and my company uses it quite a lot, and I use it quite a lot, but I'm just conscious that it's something that's changing all the time. And there are always new things you can learn, so it's great to have a day like this. One of the things we've just been speaking about is data governance and AI policy, and that's something that my company, I think, could do with tightening up. And so literally there are things there where I'm like, we could write this into our policy and start to pull together some things I've just learned in a room 5 minutes ago, which is great. The kind of practicality of the information would be applicable to quite a lot of people in the business. Heads of marketing, portfolio directors who are ultimately responsible for the events we run, right up to even COO level, and our head of data and analytics. I've been taking some notes throughout, what's the first thing I can do? I think creating my own custom GPT for some of the repeated work that I do using AI will probably literally be the first thing I do. Once the more time-consuming tasks taken out of the way, you think, okay, what do I actually want to do? What's interesting to me? And that's where it's going to be really useful.